Hello everyone, so in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windows in this virtual machine. You can install any Windows version you want, like Windows 10, 7, even new latest version of Windows 11 is also supported in Oracle VirtualBox, but we'll not gonna try that because it's a very long process and it will take a lot of time for me to download. As you can see, you can install all of those. So you can go to this website. First page is to download the Windows 11, which is 20 GB. So make sure you select this VirtualBox and it will download. So but I'm not gonna use this. You can, if you want to install Windows 11 on your VirtualBox, you can try that. The process the process that I'm going to show will be the similar for both Windows 7, 10, 11 and so on, but I'm going to show you for this one. So this is the easy process. So select the virtual machine or virtual. If you want to select a Windows 7 version, then you can select Windows 7. You can, if you want a Windows 8.1, you can choose 8.1. If you want Windows 10 stable version, you can choose stable Windows 10.1 for virtual machine and select the virtual machine platform. As we are using the VirtualBox, so we'll be using VirtualBox. Then just download this. This will take some time. It is most probably 4 to 5 GB, even more. It may be 6 to 7 GB. As you can see in here, it's 7 GB. So just download this and extract, and this file will show up. Then the same process as previously for the installation of this file that we downloaded onto this developer microsoft.com, which is the official page of this virtual machine. So let's just install now. Click new, name this as Windows 10. So Windows, make sure you select Microsoft Windows and make sure you select your Windows version and bit. So as I am using 64-bit, I will be selecting 64-bit. If you are using 32-bit, select 32-bit. Then click next. So machine folder. So okay, should I use this in here? Okay, let me check my machine folder. User Akash, VirtualBox, meta exploitable. So no, we are not gonna use it in here. We are going to, okay, let's select our destination folder where this virtual machine will be installed. So this is my virtual machine folder. So select this folder, click next and give the memory size. You can give this as much as the green line part, but I'm just going to give it as 2 GB. Then create a virtual disk, select this in here, then BMDK. What is our file extension? OVA. Okay, so select this, create a virtual hard disk, create, and make sure set all of this as default. So VDI, virtual disk image, select this. Then dynamically allocated, make sure you select this as well. So the file location, so let's give this as 40 GB because Windows 10 is a large operating system and it takes a lot of space. So select this as 40 GB. Okay, give that at 45 and then press create. And after that, it's all you need to do is select this as bidirectional, because what this means is you can just copy from your Windows machine to your this virtual machine, and you don't need to do anything. You can just copy and paste all of those items or text or on any clipboard. You can just copy paste simply from your Windows machine or main machine to your virtual machine. So this is, make sure you select drag and drop and clipboard to bidirectional, and system give this as 2 processor, display set all as default. So select empty, then choose a disk file, select the so select this as okay, I got it. I got the reason why it's not showing, because I already downloaded the full virtual machine file. So he didn't to actually do anything in here. So just click this delete, because it's already created all in this file, because we downloaded the full virtual machine file. So if you downloaded this file, this one, then you should have actually select all of those manually, but as we downloaded this full virtual machine file, so we need to actually do anything. It's pretty simple. So all you need to do is just click double press and it will automatically select all of those. So as you can see, so let's just change our directory. So select my virtual machine file and then just press import. Okay, let's see if okay, we will change all of the settings later. So let's first import all of those. And it will take some time, so let me pause and show you when this is done. So as you can see, it fully installed. So let me just change all of those settings. As I was saying, you need to select all of those as bi-directional, so that you can simply move share clipboards from your Windows to this virtual machine. Without this, you cannot copy and paste into this in here. And then you select 4 GB as memory, because Windows, Windows is extremely power hungry, and make sure you select at least 2 processor. And display, select all of those as default. You need to change anything in here, and make sure you select bridge adapter if you are using Wi-Fi adapter like me. So this is the Wi-Fi adapter that I am using. And then other thing, you don't need to do anything, press OK and you are all done. So let's just press start, and it will load up Windows 10 inside your virtual machine. So I am using Windows 11 as my main machine, and I am using Windows 10 as my virtual machine. You can use Windows 7, Windows 8.1, even Windows 11 the same way that we show you. So let me show you a couple of things. So make sure you remember a couple of things, like this is the ISO file. So this is the ISO file, this is a virtual machine disk file, and this is a full virtual machine file. So these three files install the three different way. So previously for Metasploit we select this in a different way, and for ISO we select just different way, and for this Windows as virtual machine, pretty simple, just double click and open and done. So there is a three different way to install this into your virtual box. So I think we are done, so let's just open. As you can see, so password is maybe pass word. Okay, so let's search about I forgot about the default Windows 10 virtual machine password. As you can see, the password. Okay, so make sure you remember this, which is capital P, then small p, a, double s, w, then o, not o, this is 0, number log 0, r, t, then as you can see it's done. So make sure you remember this is the password, this is the default password, and we are done. So we have a fresh new Windows 10 in our virtual machine. So you can do anything, and let's show you that my internet is working in here. As we select the bridge connection, let's go to Google. As you can see, it is working, my internet is up and working, so all is working. So that's how you download and install Windows on VirtualBox. As I was saying, the process that I show, it will work both on Windows 7, 8.1, Windows 11, and also Windows 10. And how to power off? Just simply press here, type power off the machine, power off, and done. That's it for the Windows VirtualBox.